Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. You do anything for clout. Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different. It is how I style my half wig. This video actually came about because my friend didn't even know that this wasn't my hair. Y'all, anyways, yes, so she gave me this idea to go ahead and show you guys how I be styling to make it look like it's growing from my head. So anyways, this is the half wig from Outre. It's called Penny. I'll link it below in the description box. Penny be selling out, so if you can get your hands on one, get you one. Anyways, I don't take a lot to style my hair up, down, side to side. Anyway, so what I did use today is some Eco Styler gel. My little edge brush I got off Amazon. It has like the comb on one end and then the brush on the other. Some hair ties, again, Amazon. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and I think I have one bobby pin in now, and that's just to keep the back line, you know, up and nice, up and nice. But anyways, if you guys want to know how I got my hair like this and some other styles that I do, just keep watching. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, thumbs this video up if you like hair tutorials, hauls, everything. Okay? Okay. Anyways, I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Okay, so voiceover time. This is Penny. She was $20 on Amazon. I'll tag it below for y'all because she's a gem. Anyways, so the first look is basically just me putting the wig on. If you see any flakes in my hair, it's because my gel did not go well with my moisturizer. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair into two parts and just leave the front perimeter out and then attach my wig. Once the wig is secured, I'm going to go ahead and let that hair out. And then sometimes I just wear it like this, put it over to the side. It depends on how good my wash and go is, to be honest with you. Because if it's too fluffy, we can't do it. But today it was all right. It was all right. So the next style, you're going to have to get some Eco Styler gel. And we are going to do a little half up, half down look. And of course, I just put the Eco Styler gel on. And then I get half the hair parted kind of just with my fingers. I don't really comb a curly wig because that's not necessary. But yeah, I just put my hair up in a half up, half down. Once I've secured where I want my ponytail to go, I just fluff it like normal and boom, there you go. Another style. This look is everything. I like this look, but now it's time to do my most favorite look, the top knot. So easy, just going to keep your hair in the same style and then wrap that bad boy around and secure it with a ponytail holder or bobby pins. I like a ponytail holder because sometimes bobby pins stick you and ain't nobody got time for that. Next, we're going to be doing a messy bun. Oh my god, I'm so sick. I'm sorry if I sound so snotty, y'all. But anyways, so I'm going to take out those two braids that I put in my hair at the beginning. And then I'm just going to section off the whole perimeter of my head. That makes this a lot easier and also covers up the back of your half wig so nobody can see your little track. You know what I'm saying? Now go ahead and I just braid that and put it underneath. I'm going to now apply the wig. Once that's on, I just flip it all forward, and this is the point where you can like do your edges if you want, do different styles to them, but I just brush mine back a little bit and put one ponytail over and then another one just to secure it, and that is it. Like I fluff it till I get it how I like, and that's my button. Like, how cute is that? And then the last style is the pineapple. Every natural girl knows about the pineapple. All you do is basically just pull your hair all the way forward to the front of your head and kind of just let it hang. I do mine twice, or if I'm using a headband, I do it a few times. But once that's done, if I have any flyaways in the back, I secure them with a bobby pin, and then I kind of just fluff it till it's exactly how I like it. And that's it. Like, this is such a simple look. Half wigs are a go-to. I just feel like sometimes lace fronts can be hard to put on and apply, and this is just easy and it's affordable for all my girls. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.